if you ask me, I think maybe this Iran and Israel war was because of this high spike in the price of US oil. Hello, Forex trader. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we are going to be analyzing US oil, my old time friend. Guys, it's been a while I traded this pair. I think the last time I traded this pair was around 2023. I think middle of 2023. That was the last time I traded this pair, and it was a crazy movement. It was a mad movement. I really made money from it. But since then, because I haven't caught my attention since then, till as at last week, I said, let me check on this guy, let me check on this bad guy. And I saw it around $63 per barrel. The movement was just there. It wasn't something that drew my attention as at then. I came back this week and I saw that US oil is at $74 per barrel. Like from $63 per barrel to $74 per barrel. That's a huge movement. Like some billionaires, when I say billionaires, people that control the oil markets have doubled their wealth with just this movement, have, tripled their wealth with this movement. But we Forex trader, where we make our own money is from predicting the movement of these pairs, predicting the movement of US oil. I believe I have future billionaires here because I know you that are watching me, you're going to be a billionaire one day. I believe that. So since we don't have that volume to buy US oil in barrels and sell like the way the billionaires do, we have our empty form, we have our trading view, we have our analysis, which is the top-down analysis. We have our analysis to, analyze the market, then break it down and make money from it. So as I said on today's video, we are going to be breaking US oil charts down brick by brick, guys. We're going to be analyzing it, just me and you, from the monthly time frame to the weekly time frame to the daily time frame, then to the 4-hour time frame. Let's know how we can make money from this guy. Let's know how we can milk this guy. Guys, I'm seeing a trend line that is, stopping US oil from going to the upside, which I'm going to show you guys in my chart. But I don't think that trend line is going to hold US oil. So the kind of volatility I'm seeing in US oil currently, I feel it's going to break above the trend line. And once it breaks above the trend line, voila, we are going to the upside, guys. So stick to the end of this video. If the first time you're coming across my channel, my name is Emmanuel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we teach traders on how to become profitable in Forex, and we show you the right way to be profitable in Forex. So stick to the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, then watch and learn. Guys, the most important thing is learn and make your money. Watch and learn and make your money. So let's switch to the charts. So guys, welcome to my charts. This is my US oil charts. Let's move to the monthly time frame. Let's break it down. Let's see what's happening. So guys, this is the monthly time frame. You guys can see my support and resistance placed well. You can see how they look. I like using this bar to identify my support and resistance. Guys, the reason why I go to the higher time frame to identify this support and resistance is because I don't want to be in a situation in which I'm in the lower time frame executing my trade, then there's a support or a resistance which is going to make my trade not to go my way. So that's why I do normally come here on the monthly time frame. I normally come here on the monthly time frame to draw my support and resistance, which are called key levels. They are called key levels. These are my key levels. I draw them on the monthly time frame. I go to the weekly time frame to confirm that they are placed well. So guys, as you can see, right from this place, you just have to like look left, you place them well. You come here, you look for the support, you place it. So according to my chart now, my support and resistance are being placed well. So what is US oil saying on the higher time frame? Guys, if you guys can look clearly on this monthly time frame, I can see it's a double bottom. Yes, I know it's breaks below this support, but let's just look at it in a very advanced way. This looks like a double bottom, and not just a double bottom. the neckline has been broken, and you guys know the law of price action. When the neckline of a double bottom has been broken, the next thing that is going to happen is retest. The market retested it, went to the upside, came back, and the rest. So, guys, according to what I'm seeing on the monthly time frame, I believe a bullish moment happened. This was around what year? This was around 2020. This bullish movement, I think 2020, 2021, 2022, if I'm not mistaken. So let's go to the weekly time frame. For the monthly time frame, I can see a bullish engulfing candle. Guys, like I told you guys, I saw US oil at $63. And this week, I saw it, like this week that just passed now, I saw it at $74 per barrel. Guys, like I said, it was a crazy movement. Like, it was a crazy movement. There was nothing to catch there because I didn't see any setup to catch there. There was nothing to catch there. So let's move to the weekly time frame. Let's know what's happening. What's happening, guys? I don't know why. I feel very happy today making this video for you guys. I don't know the reason why. I think maybe it's because I shaved. So let's get straight to what I was saying. So now we're on the weekly time frame of US oil charts. Guys, if you guys notice something, this support has been a stubborn held here because, like, let me zoom in for you guys to see what I'm saying. Can't you see that market has been, tapping this support that will just be hitting it, bounce up, you hit it, bounce up right from here, hit it, bounce up right from here, hit it, bounce up. And market came to break it. Guys, when I saw this break, when I checked my chart, was it around, I think that was think January, I think maybe January, February, when I saw this break, when I saw an engulfing bearish candle break this support, I believed, like I was thinking that US oil is going to fall to US oil is going to fall to maybe $35 per barrel. Like, I was waiting for a perfect setup to short US oil. That's why I was very shocked when I saw that US oil blew up to the upside because I was expecting to sell it. But guys, like my Nigerian brothers always say, market no be your papa now, no be your papa get market. Market is not owned by your father, so you can't control it to do it will do what you want to do. You just have to be on the safer side. Just have to be on the safer side to make your own bread from it. Make your own bread from it. So guys, you can see what I was expecting didn't happen. So I had to like leave it alone till I came back last week. I saw it at $63 around there. I was like, okay, yes, around there, 63, $64. I was like, okay, no problem. Maybe it still want to give me that sell setup I'm waiting for. Then I came this week, guys, it blew up to the upside. I was like, what's going on? I think, if you ask me, I think maybe this Iran and Israel war was the cause of this right high spike in the price of US oil. I think Iran and Israel war has a hand in this. It has a hand in this rise of this price. But guys, let's okay, can we see, like what can we figure out? What is price saying in weekly time frame? What can we see in the weekly time frame? I can see I drew this trend line as about, I think earlier this year. I drew this trend. I'm just waiting. I just drew the trend line. So US oil broke it and came back. So there's something that made it bounce back. Let's see what's happening on the daily time frame. Let's see what's happening on the daily time, because we are currently dealing with the immediate price action of US oil. Immediate price action of US oil. Let's go to the daily time frame. So guys, now on the daily time frame, you can see a double bottom here. I think this is the cause. This is the reason. This boy made US oil to go to the upside. This boy made US oil to go to the upside. Like, this double bottom, it broke below. I was waiting for a perfect rising wedge chart pattern because I use chart pattern for my execution. I was waiting for a perfect rising wedge chart pattern to execute this trade, but came here and gave me a double bottom and spike to the upside. So guys, when I told you guys on my introduction video, in beginning, like the beginning of this video, I told you guys that there's a trend line. USO is just kissing that trend line, kissing that trend line, kissing that trend line, and you guys can see the trend line right from here. You guys can see the trend line right from here. It has been kissing the trend line. Let me zoom out for you guys to see. Let me zoom out for you guys to see. It has been kissing this trend line around this level. Around this level, it has been kissing the trend line, tapping the trend line. Look for how many days? Look at the first day, the second day, the third day, the fourth day, the fifth day, a week plus, because trading week is 5 days. This is a week plus 1 day, a week plus one. It has been kissing that trend line. So it shows that this trend line is a very strong trend line. And two things is going to happen to US oil. It's either US oil break above this trend line. Hope you guys can see it. It's either US oil break above this trend line or it comes back, bounce back here and break this and keep falling. You understand? One must happen. It's either it break this trend line and go to the upside. And if it break this trend line, this thing, the next price for US oil will be, let's say, $80 per barrel. Because US oil likes round number. Guys, from what I've understand from US oil, it likes round number a lot. It likes round number. So $80 a barrel. That will be the next price of US oil. If it breaks above this trend line, not only breaking above the trend line, if it breaks above this trend line and retests the trend line, it's going to come up here. It's going to come up here. So if it comes above here, if it breaks this trend line, it's going to retest and come above here. But if it fails to break this trend line and retest, then guys, I think US oil will be falling below. It will be coming here, which is maybe around 50, around $60 per barrel. But I'm 70% bullish. I'll leave 30% for the doubt. As you guys know how I trade, I am not a biased trader. I'm not a trader that, focus on one side. I trade against myself. You understand? So if US oil fail to break above this place, then it's coming below. But if it breaks, guys, any which way, I'm going to make money from this pair. Anything you want to do, unless you didn't give me a perfect setup if you break above, or you didn't give me a perfect setup if you go below. But guys, best believe, if it give me a setup, I'm going to strike. This is my best friend, one of my best friends in this Forex industry, US oil. It's one of my best friends. Like when I say my best friend, I really mean it. My best friend. So for you who is watching US oil, I've been watching US oil, or you are a day trader, day traders that are watching this video, you can use this analysis to your own advantage. You get me? You can use this analysis I did from the monthly time frame now to the daily time frame to your own advantage. You can make money from it with your strategy. See, I think the reason why most day traders lose a lot is because they ignore the higher time frame. They ignore the higher time frame. Like when you come to the higher time frame, you see where next the market is going to. Like now, okay, like I said now, US oil is going to break this trend line. Like if it breaks this trend line, the next price is $80 per barrel. When you have done all this analysis on the higher time frame, you can now use that your daily time frame strategy. Although I don't advise people to day trade though, in as much as I don't even like day trading. But I'm just saying, for the stubborn ones that don't want to switch to swing trading, that want to stick to their day trading, which is fine. Everybody has their own choice, has the things that work for them. You can use this analysis to trade US oil with your daily strategy, your daily time frame strategy. You understand? Your daily trading strategy. Once you know, okay, what you need to do is wait for the market to break. Wait for the market to break this trend line. Once the market break this trend line, then use your strategy to trade it to $80 per barrel. Are you getting me? But most traders now, let me show you the 4-hour time frame. Most traders who have been trading US oil, I'll show you the reason why their trade has been, like, they have been growing their accounts on US oil, because I believe most day traders are trading US oil. Guys, watch what's happening here. For a very volatile pair like US oil, like market has just been ranging on this trend line. Most traders have been buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling on this trend line. Most traders have blown their accounts. That's why I don't like day trading. Someone will say I hate this. It's not that I hate day traders. Like, it's frustrating. Imagine how many traders have executed trade and buy and sell trade in this level. Like, imagine what they are going through. But me, it's just normal candles to me. Like, it's normal candles to me. I'm just seeing normal candles forming. Nothing else. I can't see anything. Anything means here. You understand? So as a day trader, if you want to use, you can use my analysis and make money for yourself. The wise ones, the wise day traders, you can use my analysis and make money for yourself. Wait for a break and retest of this trend line. Then you start using your daily time frame strategy. You start using your daily time frame strategy to execute. You are going to even see more risk reward than me, self. But one thing with me is, no matter how small my risk reward is, once I use, because I risk 3% of my account on each trade. So no matter how small my risk reward is, and I always go, it's not that I always go for 1 to 2 weeks to reward. So when I risk 3% of my account on one trade, mostly I get return of 6% return on investment on one trade. Sometimes 10% return, sometimes 15% return on investment. Most are 20 return on percent return on investment on one trade because I risk 3% of my account. So guys, as a day trader, you still see more risk to reward if you follow my rules, follow my analysis, follow what I said here on my channel. So day traders, you can use my channel to your own advantage for the wise one. But for you who is a newbie, for you that is a newbie, let's go to the okay. For you that is a newbie, I will advise you to start with swing trading for your own peace of mind. Start with swing trading for your own peace of mind. So guys, for the recap, US oil, break this trend line, break this trend line, break this trend line for us. Please, because I know that if it fails to break this trend line, it's going to take us another time, maybe a month or 2 months before USOIL will print something meaningful, like print a setup that we understand. So please, brother, US oil, a lot of billionaires have made money from you from this little movement from $63 to $74. Please, we Forex trader are begging you to please break this trend line, retest this trend line, give us a perfect setup with a good risk reward so we can trade it to $80 per barrel and above. I believe US oil has what I said. I believe you just heard what I say because you have to hear what I say. Guys, I need money. And I believe every one of you watching this video also need money. So, yes, for the recap, break and retest. Break and retest. I said it. Break and retest for the stubborn ones. Break and retest. Break and retest. Then we strike. You understand? If it break and retest, I'll be going live on my Telegram channel. So if you are yet to join my Telegram channel, make sure you join my Telegram channel. For the link, it's down below in the description. Down below, you see my Telegram channel. Link to my Telegram channel there. Make sure you join because any trade I analyze here, any pair I analyze here, if any trade setup comes up, I'll go live. I train it live with my traders on my Telegram channel. I trade it live. I don't drop signals. I don't do any signal shit. Guys, I don't drop signals, but I'll teach you how to fish. I won't give you the fish. I'll teach you how to fish. Why I'm analyzing life with you guys? I want to show you guys how it works, how everything works. You understand? So I don't give you fish. I will teach you how to fish. So that's all for today. US oil. I believe you guys understand what I said. You can as well go to your chart. Look how my chart is. Look how I drew my key level. Look how I drew my support and resistance on the monthly time frame. Go to the daily time frame. Look how I drew my trend line and everything. You can as well do that in your charts because anything I teach here, you won't learn it if you don't practice it. Watching this video alone will make you to learn it. You need to practice it. You need to go to your charts. Practice everything I did here. The way I drew my support and resistance, the way I drew my trend line, why I said I'm expecting the market to happen. You analyze it with your own brain and see how it works. You understand that? So that is all I have for you guys today, US oil. So if you have any pair you want me to analyze on this YouTube channel, guys, we are one family here. Um, Congratulations to the new subscribers, those who subscribe newly to this channel. We are one family here. If you want me to analyze any pair for you, please drop that pair on the comment section. Drop the name of that pair on the comment section. I'm going to pick and analyze for you guys on my next videos. You understand? So if you want to be the first, make sure you first comment, because I'll start from the first person that comments. I'll start from that pair and I'll start and be analyzed. So if you want me to analyze your own fast, maybe you have a setup you are looking at in your own pair. You understand? You want me to analyze it. So maybe that setup, you feel like that setup want to play out fast and you want me to analyze it fast. You rush and drop that pair on the comment section. I'm going to analyze it on my next video. So that's all I have for you guys today. Hello guys, we've come to the end of today's video. So for those of you who stick to the end of this video, I believed you learned something from this video, guys, because my major aim of posting all these videos, analyzing all these pairs for you guys, is for you guys to learn and practice it. You understand? For you guys to learn and change your trading results for yourself. You understand? Because it's for yourself. Anything you learn from this channel, it's helping yourself. It's going to add money to your pocket. It's not going to add money to my pocket. I'm just here to tell you what works, tell you what to do and the right thing to do. You understand? Like I said, if you have any pair, you're confused in it, you want me to analyze it, drop it on the comment section. I'm going to be checking all the comments and I'm going to be analyzing all the pairs for you guys. Guys, we are one family here on this channel. I don't want you to see this YouTube channel as, yes, it's Learn Forex with Emmanuel. It's my channel, it's Emmanuel channel. See this channel as your channel. Hope you get me. See this channel as your channel. See all the subscribers in this channel as your brothers and sisters. So we are one family here. I'm here to help. If you want to reach out to me, you want to DM me, you want to ask me questions, the link to my Telegram channel is down below in the description. You can hit the link, click the link on the Telegram channel, go to my Telegram channel. You will see the link to my private DM on Telegram. Come there, tell me your problems, tell me what you're facing, challenges you're facing. I will help you out. I'm always available, guys. If you text me now, a second later, I'm going to reply to you. I'm always active. So we are one family here. So in any way you're getting confused in Forex, in any way you are facing any challenges in Forex, which you know that, okay, you need to share it with someone. You need someone to give you an advice. You need someone to tell you what to do. It's the link on my description. Join my Telegram channel. You'll see my private DM on the description of the Telegram channel. Then DM me, drop your problems. I'm going to reply you and I'm going to give you a perfect answer for you. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you just come across this channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button. It's for your own good, because I'll be dropping more valuable content on this channel. I'll be dropping more valuable content on this channel. Guys, I'm thinking about dropping a video on chart patterns, because I think most traders keep the basics of Forex. Most traders really skips the basic of Forex. These are the basic things of Forex: chart pattern, candlestick pattern, and the rest. So I think I'm going to figure out on, but first of all, I'll attend to everyone who comments on this video. I'll attend to them first before I now do a video on chart pattern. So make sure you drop the pair or pair you want me to analyze on this channel. Drop it on the comment section. So thank you for sticking to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, like this video. It's very important. Like this video so YouTube can help share this video to other people, for them to also come, learn, and join our family. So guys, thank you for sticking to the end of this video. Bye.